launching today on my website a new box for the beginners. This box is going to be everything you need for the beginner to start microneedling. This is going to be 70 bucks cheaper, but let me calculate. I think so. Wait. Plus 39. Yeah, so you're going to save 65 bucks on all these products. You're going to get 0.25 derma roller. You're going to get vitamin C cream to be used after everything, all the treatment. You're going to get hyaluronic acid serum, all natural, 0.25 derma roller. Then you're going to get peptide serum. You guys know that everything is natural. These products all created to be used after microneedling, and this is going to be 0.25 aqua stamp. This is kind of a luxury microneedling starter kit. So I am going to quickly show you guys how you will do everything after you receive. So you're going to start with the cleansing your skin. I'm going to show you like literally beginner quick routine. I am applying cleanser. And then taking the same cleanser, doing double cleanse, because yes, every derma roller session you want to have very clean skin. Alright, so now you have 5 products, and where do you start? You start with microneedling. I will recommend always to start with the derma roller. You're going to get 0.25 millimeter derma roller. You take out the derma roller already comes in this bag disinfected. So first time you do not need to disinfect. Second time you do want to disinfect with alcohol. How to disinfect with alcohol, the video I have completely separate. I'm gonna post down below under this video. Check out description box. All the information, all the links for necessary videos is going to be over there. So how I'm starting rolling. I don't know if my skin is sensitive. I never done this. I will go not for longer than 5 minutes for my entire face. Always starting forehead, cheek, and chin. And if you have no problems with the thyroid, you can go ahead on the neck too. I do have Hashimoto's thyroiditis. I do not ever touch my neck. We are all individuals. We are all different, and you should know what your skin accepts. If you roll like this 3 times and you feel pain and you see that your skin is getting too red, don't roll more. If your skin, it's okay after you roll 5 times, go with 5 times. It's all up to you. You're the in charge. You're the boss in all this treatment. So and I'm not going back and forth. I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, lifting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You never want to do zigzags ever. And then diagonal, you can go like this 3 times if you want, or you can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How is better for you? Okay, first time I don't go longer for 5 minutes. Now I put derma roller in the case, and then after I'm done with this session, I am going to disinfect with the alcohol in my bathroom, and I do have video on that. Now I'm taking aqua stamp. You're going to receive like this in a nice box, nice packaging. Read the instruction that you get with. Aqua stamp comes in this sealed package, which is also disinfected already. Take out 0.25 first part, and then take out the bottle. Bottle looks like this, and the top looks like this. First, what you have to do, you have to pump your serum inside. You have 2 serums. I included these serum because these are least irritatant serum. I have another serum which is a vitamin C serum, but some people notice redness, so I do not include the serum in this kit. But I do have peptide and hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is hydrating. Peptide serum is like firming your skin. You can either do both of these serum, or you can do 1 serum. You choose which you want, but I always recommend to put both of them together. I pump a couple of, let's say 3 and 3. Make sure your hand is clean. I wash my hand, and stamp before starting on the face. Stamp on your hand just to make sure that needles are working, serum is coming out. It might take some time, but over here it's coming out. Then you go on the skin. Now, what is the difference between Derma Roller and Aqua Stamp? Aqua Stamp is amazing to go small places where Derma Roller cannot go. For example, over here, everybody have droppy lids, right? Over here, everybody have dark circles and fine lines over here. Nose, blackheads, amazing. Around the nose, Derma Roller cannot reach these places, amazing. Lip over here, Derma Roller cannot access, amazing. I do have a scar over here, Derma Roller, it's okay, you can access, but this one is targeting really, really well. So I'm going in the places where I want to target, where Derma Roller cannot target. So I'm starting actually with a scar. I'm gonna go to the eyes at least because I don't want serum to go inside my eyes. Now I have a lot of serum there. So I'm stamping 10 times. If you feel irritation or redness or heat, it's enough for your skin. You shouldn't do longer. Make sure your skin is going to be adapting to this. How often to do is also, guys, I'm gonna tell you the truth that how your skin accept this. But to start, I wouldn't recommend you to do more often than once a week, at least for 2 weeks. 3rd week you can do twice. 4th week you can do twice. Then after 6-7 weeks you can start doing every three times a week, like every 2-3 days. No more often. Once your skin kind of starting get used to, then you can do every 3 days. And the nose for the blackheads, it's amazing. I will go 10 times on this nose and 10 times on this nose. Then you know where I have lines, I notice over here. So I kind of want to lift here between my ear. You can stamp your ears if you want. Over here, extra love 10 times. In here, extra love 10 times. If you're going to stamp entire face, you can fill this bottle half. But I'm just doing certain places. And then over here under eye, 10 times. 1, 2, 3. And now the best part of Aqua Stamp, you can stamp your lips to have it smoother and plumper and just more healthy. I do have issue with myself. I pull the skin from my lips and I bite my lips. As you see, I always have those slit marks. So it's very, very good. On the lips I go a little bit extra, just when I have bigger lips. Okay guys, very quickly I'm going to vitamin C cream, which already gonna be able to give that extra luxury skin treatment, skin spa. Very, 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 very excited. And now cream time. You need 2 pumps, 1, 2 to cover entire face. And more focusing under eyes because my biggest issue is dark circles, and this works really, really well with dark circles. So very gentle, with no pressure, apply everywhere, brightens the skin, tightens the skin, squalane, moisturizes. This is a very, very good cream. People love this cream a lot, sells really well, can't complain. And going wherever is left. By the way, you can use around the eyes with no problem. You can use on the lips with no problem. Use this facial before bed, all these products before bed. And that's it, guys. Wherever is left with this cream, you go down on the neck. And that's it, guys. And really, that's it. This is all you need. That's why I'm calling this kid beginner. All you need, microneedling. kit. Right now this kit is $120. I'm not gonna do ever any discount for this kit. Just right now, for my subscriber, you have to be subscriber if you want to get this kit for $10 off. So just for 3 days, 120 minus $10. So my Amber babies, only for 3 days, $10 off on the top of all this kit. It's crazy value, $185. Regular price is going to be $120, and just for a couple of days I'm giving you $10 off on the top of this discount already. That's going to be crazy good savings, $65 to save, and on the top of that $10 more. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, microneedling is my life. I am really enjoying to giving you that information, training you, teaching you, giving you glowy skin. Here are a couple of pictures of my clients that have been using Dermarole, and they're very happy. I'm so excited that I can help people to achieve nicer, beautiful, more natural, more glowy skin without using any crazy stuff and fillers. Fine lines, I have dark circle. I'm a regular person like all of you guys. I'm using only natural plant-based ingredients, natural stuff like microneedling. It's my life, it's my hobby, and it's my mission and my goal to help you with your skin. If you have any questions, please leave me down below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. And one more thing, I do have giveaway. I am going to choose 2 winners to send this box for free. You know what you have to do? I'm gonna link all the rules in the description box. Check out. You have to be a subscriber of my channel. You have to follow my 2 Instagram accounts, which one is my personal and one is my business. And another thing that you have to subscribe to my newsletter. So you're gonna go to Gin Amber. I'm gonna show you on the phone how to do it. Over here, this is ginamber.com. You're gonna slide down, and there is going to be, usually table pops on the screen. Subscribe, this is going to say enter your email and subscribe, but if the table is not going to pop, go down below, and over here is going to be subscribe to our newsletter. Enter your email address. That's it. This is all you need. It's all what you have to do. Free things. Subscribe to my newsletter on my website. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am so excited! I am so excited! I want to give you 2 winners this box. I hope you enjoy, guys. I love you so much, and I see you in my next video.
Probably shouldn't say this. Should keep it all inside. But maybe I'm just